Hey YouTube, it's SJ and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing. You all know what it is because you've seen the title, but I'm not sure if you're going to see this. Can you see this, Mr. B? Look at that. Blazing Squad in the house. Look at that. Oh, there we go. Blazing Squad. Woo! We're going to unbox. Woo. Focus. About now. Oh, people. People. Right, we have a purple box. Woo! Nike SB purple box. And we are going to come over here to this camera. If I flick the box around and do what we normally do. These are a Nike SB Zoom Blazer Mid Edge L for leather, people. I know that now. And they are black, pink, rinse white. They're US 7, UK 6, European 40, and the code is DA2189002. Back to the center camera. Now, we looked at the Viotech version of these a couple of weeks ago, unboxing video I did. I decided to go for the black and pink because I only have one black pair of sneakers, people. Only one black pair, and that's the NBA Blazers. So I risked it and went black and pink, and oh my word, these are really nice. I'm not disappointed. Sorry, Russell, box over there without hitting the dog. Okay, so what have we got? We've got the Blazer Edge in black and pink, and Levi in our community, go check out his Instagram page if you don't. I can't remember what it is. I'll put a link below. But yeah, he's got a pair of these and he said I'd really like them. And, you know, we talked about, well, Mr. B and I talked about it, and the pink is pretty much the same as that lovely pink suede that they use on the Dunk Celtic. Oh, we're going to go over to this camera here. So look at that lovely pink suede. Oh, sorry, forgetting the microphone. That lovely pink suede on the swoosh here. Then Mr. B's bringing that in so that you can see it. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. The black leather looks really nice on these as well. Then if I flip it round, you've got a hint of purple coming through on the tongue, and that double tongue that you get on the edge. So the top one will be the Dunk tongue. Bottom one is the Blazer. There we go. You can see that. See that there. And if I flip it round, you've got that deconstructed stitching on the swoosh. Then you've got that big swoosh that goes over the toe cap. Now, I really like the Viotech version of these because that purple was just amazing. But as I said, I wanted to go black. Now, the main reason for me going black, I'm going to go back to the center. Ooh, hit myself with the mic. The main reason for me going black on these is because I've mentioned it before. The material that they use on the inside here, it's like this. Mr. B's bringing it in. There we go. If you can focus on that. It's like a terry toweling type material. Maybe this camera can pick it up better. There we go. Yeah. So it's like a terry toweling type material that they use on the liner there. Now on the white version of the Edge and also the orange label Blazers that I've got, they also use this material, and I find it gets really quite grotty quite quickly. You know, and your socks tend to rub on it as well. Even if it's not dirt, like your socks rub on that material and it just makes them look a bit grotty, which is why I didn't buy the Viotech. I mean, the Viotech ones were absolutely stunning, but I went for these. And as I said, that's what put me off the Edge last year. There was just something about it I couldn't get on board with, and I didn't really like the canvas material either. I like that they've gone with leather. And I really like the pink and the black. I don't think I have any pink sneakers. Ah, yes, I do. I've got pink Jordans. That's all I've got. And you've got the Nike stitch in there on the back. And let's spin this beauty around. I'm not sure what Mr. B is doing behind the camera. He's doing all sorts there. It's just really, really nice. Really, really nice. Now, I went for now on sizing, some of you have noticed that I've been going up half a size, particularly on Blazer lows, because I found the lows coming up really a little bit tight around the toes. But on these, on the mids and the highs, they're just a 6 seems to fit better. Like I've had my Kevin Bradleys on 8 for quite a bit recently around the house, the Hells, and they're 6 and they fit absolutely perfect. And my ACGs are just a little bit big. It's weird, so I just stuck with a 6 EU40. So hopefully these are going to fit me fine. I think they will. And you've got the standard blazer sole there. Really, really nice. Now I'm just going to see, are there any? Yes, there are. Alternate laces. We have pink alternate laces, people. There we go. It's a really nice pink, this. Really nice. It's not too vibrant in your face and it's not too wishy-washy baby pink. It's just really nice. What do we reckon? The black laces that it comes with?
Pink.
Oh, pink. Mr. B saying pink. But leave us a comment below if you think I should go pink. They're not perfect. Not perfect. There's a little mark. Like, look at the swoosh. Can you see that? Just on the suede. Just bring that right in. Can you see what I mean there? Almost looks like somebody's got a pink pen and just drawn a line through it. Which is a bit weird. And there's also, like, on the midsole. I'll show you here. Can you see that? Like, down here. And down there. Like those marks. It's a bit weird. Come on, Nike. What is up with your quality control? Come on, let's check this one. Yeah, this one's got a few marks as well. But it's super nice. Super nice. Super nice sneaker. Now, as I said in the Viotech video, there's quite a few pairs in this pack. There's the Viotech, these. There's like the brown... I'm not sure of its actual technical name, but there's the brown pair, and I think there's a black pair coming out as well. Let us know your thoughts on this pack. Have you copped a pair in this pack? Which pair are you preferring, these, or do you think I should have gone to Viotech? Got a lot of white sneakers. Which is why I went black. Yep, leave us a comment below. Let us know what you think, as always. And don't forget, if you haven't already, hit that old like button. Hit the old subscribe button and come along and join us for Sneaker Stream Sundays, where we chat about sneakers like this. We look at the news, do a bit of the old gram, that sort of thing, and we chat with you, our lovely Pint of Stuff community. That's at 8 PM here in the UK, 12 PM on the West Coast, 3 PM on the East Coast, 5 AM over there in Tokyo. I'm going to go and try these on because I really, really want to get these on now. I'm just going to have a look at that tongue again. So you got, blazers always come so flipping well laced. It's going to take me like half hour to undo these and get these actually on my feet. But as I said, you've got those 2 tongues. Now, you can take one out, right? And I might take one out. I don't know. We'll see what they look like. See what they look like on. I quite like the flash of purple too that's underneath there. But yeah, as I said, I'm off to try these on because the box has been sitting here for a couple of days and I've been like, I want to try them on, but it's been too busy. But I'm going, trying them on. As I said, leave us a comment, likes, all the rest of it. Go and watch another video, which is about here. And I will see you very soon, guys. Over and out.